Hello guys, I Deepak sir is again here with a new one video of class 7th exercise 2.7 and one question of exercise 4.1. So here in question number 3 of exercise 2.7 it is saying find 2.7 divided by 100, so we can take here 2.7 is there, so remove the decimal, it will become here 27 upon 10 and it is divisible by 100, so that's why we will just convert it into the multiply. We will write the inverse of 100, so that is here 27 upon 10 into 1 upon 100, so which is equal to 0.027, because we will put here the decimal just before the 3 number because the 3 zeros are here, so it will become here 0.027. So next one is here 0.3 is divided by 100. So in this way, if a sort method also I have solved here, that is here, just move the decimal just two place in their left side, because here is 100 which is containing the 20, so the decimal will move by two place in their left side, so it will become here 0.003. Next one is here 0.78 divided by 100, so the two zeros are here, so the decimal will move by two place in their left side, so it will become here 0.0078. Next is here 432.6 divided by 100, so the decimal will move by two place, it will become here 4.326. Next is here 23.6 divided by 100, so the decimal will move again here by the two place in the left side, so it will become here 0.236. Next is here 98.53 divided by 100, so the decimal will move by two place in their left side, so it will become here 0.9853. Now question number 4 again is here, find that is here 7.9 divided by 1000, so it will become here 79 upon 10, because the decimal is here. To remove the decimal we will divide it by 100, because one number earlier the decimal is here, so we will take here 100. Now we will convert it in multiply, we will write the reciprocal of 1000, it will become here 1 upon 1000. Now here are 4 zeros, so we will place here the decimal just before the fourth digit, so it will become here 0.0079. Next one is here 26.3 divided by 1000, that is equals to 263 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 is inverse, so it will become here 0.0263. Same here we will do 38.53 divided by 1000, it is becoming, because the decimal is two number earlier, so it will become here 3853 upon 100 multiplied by its inverse 1 upon 1000, so the decimal we will put here just before the 5 digit, so it will become here 0.03853. Next one is 128.9 multiplied divided by 1000. So I solved here by the second method which I given here. So in this one we will put here, we will move the decimal just 3 number earlier. So it means that it will move by the 3 place in the left side, so it will become here 0.1289. Next is here 0.5 divided by 1000. So the decimal will move by 3 place in the left side, so it will become here 0.0005 here. Now question number 5 again, here it is find, so it is here 7 divided by 3.5, so it means that 7 upon 3.5, one number earlier is the decimal in denominator, so the numerator will be multiplied by 10 and the decimal will get removed here. On solving it will become here 70 upon 35, 35 can divide 72 times here. 36 divided by 0.2 is here, so 36 upon 0.2 it will become, so it is equals to 36, because one number earlier is the decimal in denominator, so it will become here 36 into 10 upon 2, 2 will divide here 36 18 times, and 18 times 180 there. Next is here 3.25 divided by 0.5, so that is equals to 3.25 upon 0.5. So the numerator have two number, earlier the decimal, so the denominator will get multiplied by 100, and the denominator have one number, earlier the decimal, so the numerator will get multiplied by 10. 0 will divide here 0, 5 can divide 325, 65 times, so it is here 65 upon 10, so remove the 0 and the one number earlier the decimal will be here, so it will become here 6.5. Next one is here 30.94 divided by 0.7, so it is equals to sorry 0.5 it is. So it will become here 30.94 divided by 0.5, which is equals to 3094, because two number earlier is the decimal, so the denominator will get multiplied by 100, and in denominator one number earlier is the decimal, so the numerator will get multiplied by 10. So 0 will cancel here the 0, it will become here 3094 upon 50. On dividing this one we will get here 44.2. Next one is here 0.5 divided by 0.25. So it is equal to 0.5 upon 0.25. Because one number earlier is the decimal, so denominator will get multiplied by 10, and here the decimal is two number earlier, so the numerator will get multiplied by 100. Now we can easily remove here 5 can divide here 25 5 times, 0 will cancel 0, 5 can divide here 10 2 times, so the 2 is answer here. Same here we will do in these all 7.75 divided by 0.25, and you will get the answer here 31. Next one 76.5 divided by 0.15, you will do the same method and the answer will be there 510. Next one is here 37.8 divided by 1.4. So on solving by this one method you will get here 27. Same here you will do in 9th one here. Now question number 6 is here, which is saying a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So distance covered in 2.4 liter is equal to 43.2 km. It is given in question and it is asking about the 1 liter. So it is just like that one. Just suppose you are going to purchase some chocolate and you are purchasing 10 chocolates in 20 rupees. So in how much will be the cost of one chocolate there? So simply you will divide there the 20 by 10. So same here you are doing here distance covered in 1 liter is equal to 43.2 divided by 2.4. Because both the decimal one number earlier, so we can remove here the decimal by decimal. On dividing this one we will get here the total distance covered in 1 liter equals to 18 kilometer. Now next one is here exercise 4.1. In this one it is saying complete the last column of the table. So last column in question it is given here, say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. So I write on the place of that one the result. So the first one is given here x plus 3 is equal to 0 and the x value is given here. So for finding this one that the result is correct or not, the value is correct or not, we will take here is left side. It means LHS. So we will put the value of x in LHS, that is equal to 6 and 6 is not equal to 0. So that's why we can say that it is not the value. Now x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x value is given here 0. On the place of x we will put here 0. So that is 0 plus 3 which is equal to 3. And 3 is also not equal to 0. So that's why it is also not the value. Next one is there x plus 3 is equal to 0 and the value of x is here minus 3. We will put this one value in the LHS of the equation. So that is minus 3 plus 3 which is equal to 0 and 0 is equals to the RHS because the RHS value is also 0. So this one is the value. Next one is here x minus 7 is equals to 1, x equals to 7. So on putting the value of x in the given equations LHS, we are getting here the 0 and 0 is not equals to 1. So that's why it is not the value. Now x minus 7 is equals to 1 and x equals to 8 is given here. So we will put the value of x in the LHS of the equation. So that is 8 minus 7 which is equals to 1 and 1 is equals to 1 there. So that's why it is the value here. Next is here 5x equals to 25 and the value of x is here 0. So whenever we are putting the value of x in the given equations LHS, that time it is equals to 5 into 0 which is equals to 0 and 0 is not equals to RHS, so it is not the value here. Next is here 5x equals to 25 and the value of x is given here 5. So 5x equals to 5 into 5 which is equals to 25 and 25 is equals to the RHS, so that's why it is the value here. 5x equals to 25 is given here and the value of x is here minus 5. So 5 into minus 5 in the place of x we will put here the value of minus 5 x, that is minus 5, so it is here minus 25 and minus 25 is not equal to the RHS. so it is not the value of the x. M upon 3 is equals to 2 and the value of m is here minus 6. So we will put here the value of m which is equals to minus 6 upon 3. So that is equals to minus 2 and minus 2 is not equals to the 2. So that's why it is not the value. Next is here the value of m is here 0. Now we will put the value of m in the LHS of the equation. So that is 0 upon 3 which value is 0 and 0 is not equals to the RHS. So that's why it is not the value. M upon 3 equals to 2 and the value of m is given here in 6. So we will put the value of m in the LHS of the given equation, that is equals to 6 upon 3 which is equals to 2 and 2 is equals to the RHS of the given equation. So that's why it is the value. So guys, these are the questions which I solved here and I will solve the next one question in my next one video. So up to that time, bye bye, take care.